Good Saturday morning. I'm First Alert Meteorologist Trevor Gibbs, tracking dramatic temperature swings over the next couple of days with record heat expected today for your Saturday and near record cold over the next few days early next week with freezing temperatures expected. In that process, little to no rain. Yes, we'll have a cold front coming through with a couple of showers, but many spots will not pick up rainfall, and therefore our high fire risk continues, and it's actually going to increase behind that cold front on Monday. Here's those record highs today. The record in Jacksonville is 86 today. We're forecasting 89. Some inland spots could briefly touch 90 degrees today, which is pretty rare to see in February. We hit 89 yesterday on Friday. Today will be very similar with those 80s all the way to the coast as well, with some gusty onshore winds. That record of 86 set back only 7 years ago in 2019, where we'll be a couple of degrees above that in many neighborhoods today. Low temperatures tonight into tomorrow morning will only be in the 60s, but notice the dramatic temperature drop Monday morning, Tuesday morning, and Wednesday morning near and below freezing. So 3 consecutive mornings of a freeze, and then we're right back up well above. So this is a shorter-lived cold snap versus some of the other ones we've seen this winter, but this is definitely going to be a return to that winter-like feel. So enjoy the warmth while we have it if you're enjoying the warmth. Here's the middle of the day today, 70s to 80s already under partly cloudy skies. We'll have some gusty winds coming in out of the southwest that will bring those warm temperatures all the way to the beaches by 3 o'clock north of our area. So if you're traveling north, there could be some thunderstorms. You'll kind of see that there at the top of your screen. We're not expecting much of any of that across our area today, so a dry day. And then tonight, as that cold front passes through, perhaps a couple of showers. So temperatures will be very mild tonight in the 60s, close to 70 degrees, and maybe a few damp spots early on your Sunday morning. But then temperatures will slowly fall through the day tomorrow as wind picks up, skies will clear, and the humidity will go way down, especially into Monday morning, and that's when we'll see those temperatures fall to near and below freezing almost area-wide with some gusty winds as well. So it's going to feel even colder than this with feels-like temperatures back into the 20s. As far as rainfall totals go with this cold front, it's not going to be much again, barely any measurable precipitation, and many neighborhoods won't see any rainfall. So therefore, our extreme drought is expected to continue. This is a very significant drought for the state of Florida and Georgia, and this is going to lead to a high fire risk, especially on Monday behind that cold front, because it's going to be really windy and the air is going to be really dry. It's Arctic air that filters into the area on Monday, so we'll be looking out for a very high to extreme wildfire risk on Monday, staying high Tuesday through Thursday. Now, as I mentioned, it's a short-lived cold snap, so we're back into the 60s and 70s by the end of next week here. And your 7-day forecast with your weekend always in view. Today's easily going to be the warmest day over the next week. And then we'll start off tomorrow in the upper 60s, close to 70, but the high temperature will occur early in the day. We'll cool a bit through the afternoon, and then temperatures will plummet into tomorrow night, back down into the 30s.